Hello to you, my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel, as you always know, that gives you the best in trendy acrylic nail art designs. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case I see my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous queens, watching this video which I have for you today, you see that I have some nice and pretty acrylic nail art designs. These nail designs are the trendy acrylic nail art designs. So I urge you to watch the video to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide. And as you watch this video, kindly support this video by hitting the like button, okay? Like this video and feel free to share it to your friends and loved ones. And you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you to you.